Now let go. Balance, my friend. What is up, darlings, and welcome back to Kirsties'Karz. We're chilling out in the El Camino right now. Today is Saturday, and it is a brilliant day. Today is the day of the Longmont cruise. It's an annual cruise that happens downtown Longmont. Hot rods pretty much take over the town, and we all just go on a loop and just like rev it up for all the kids out on the road, and it's just so much fun. So I'm gonna get the El Camino ready to go rip it on this cruise. I'm gonna see, I think my little helper Maya probably will join me. Last year I went with my sister in the Nova, and not my Nova, my dad's Nova. He passed on to her a 69 4-door Nova, and then me the El Camino. But we ripped the Nova last year because the El Camino wasn't running. So I was more focused on like taking pictures and just enjoying, you know, all the cars. And so this year, being able to drive, I am really looking forward to the kids on the side of the road with the signs that say rev it up, please, because oh my gosh, I'm gonna give it to them. I freaking love it when kids get excited about this kind of stuff. It totally makes everything worth it, you know, because this car gets so hot driving it that far. It's gonna be like a sauna in here, but I am going to love every single minute of it, because this is the kind of stuff that just, you know, it really gets me pumped, because that's how I was as a kid. And I love seeing Maya helping me and my kids getting involved, and just to see all the families out there that are still, you know, just so into the scene and just like won't let this cruise night die. You know, it's been going on forever, the Longmont cruise night. Oh, it's only one day a year though, so I gotta go. I gotta go. Go. And I was planning on making a video today, because I'm so close, as always, but I think I'm going to make a video on this instead. I think you guys will enjoy it. I think it's going to be a good time, and yeah. I think we should just rip it today, you know, and just live a little bit. Just enjoy life a little bit, you know? Get out there and just floor it. Hell yeah. Let's go. You're learning the lesson that the hose gets caught on the tires. You gotta pull it around before you start moving. Getting her cleaned up. Stop. How you going? Good? Yeah. Looking pretty good. Oh. Alright, now hold it there. Now let go. Balance, my friend.
And I will put myself like a cushion.
Having the kiddos help is always a fun time. This kid is such a dork. He makes me laugh so much. Yes, good job, bud. Okay. Well, she looks a lot better all not dusty. But I think I'm gonna hit that with something. Woo! It's gonna be a hot one. And this L on this cruise, it is going to be roasted in there. I can already guarantee it. Oh my gosh, I'm dying. But got her nice and, looking good. Right? It's not looking dusty no more. And I didn't clear coat this patch when I put it on there, just honestly because I was being lazy. And I was just like, it's temporary. I do not want it just like patched like this the whole time, obviously, but I needed to use this car as my daily, and until I get the Subaru fixed, that's why I did it, was just so that I could drive it to work in the rain still. So that was not permanent. That's why it's rusty. I just went and sanded it down some for the cruise, just so it's not as rusty, but got everything else looking good. I think she's ready to rip. We are gonna take her for at least a lap or two, and maybe park and check out some of the hot rods, get some pics. I am going to take some time right now, real quick though, to detail the inside. Yes, let's go. So since we know that the L's wipers don't work, I am rain-Xing because I just have a feeling that it's gonna rain. It always does, it never fails. So maybe if I put this on thick enough, I will still be able to drive. That's the plan. Well, the plus side to not having back seats is that vacuuming is super easy. Got the oil in, got her all shined up, got my cruise buddy. Y'all get it. Don't. I don't want you to crunch your fingers. You stress me out, child. Alright. Alright, jump in. Gotta get the music connected. Bam. Let's rock. It looks like it's rainy over there.
Yeah.
Hopefully the rain stays away. So let me explain. This was my first time handing Maya my camera and saying, hey, it's all on you, go for it. So the footage that I'm about to show you guys is some of Maya's best and some of Maya's worst. I am so super proud of her for just stepping up and trying, because that's how it all starts. I mean, seriously, you guys, she did great. Here we go. The fact that she got this car lot so good is so very cute and so very innocent, and I absolutely love it. Just want to give another round of applause to Maya and Kaden for helping me out on this video. You guys rock. We took a break to grab a Subway sandwich, so we're sitting out in the grass just relaxing. When all of a sudden, I spot my friend Natasha. She whipped back around and said hi. It was so great to catch up with you, girl. I seriously miss you. I was not prepared for this cruise. I did not bring a phone mount, so holding my phone while driving a 4-speed is definitely not the easiest. Resting your phone on the dash only causes it to fall every single time you hit the gas, like this. So yeah, sorry about that. This is the cool down stage. Gotta let it cool down. She's been ripping. It's very cool out now. Giving her some air. Yep, car's starting to overheat. The L really isn't liking the stop and go traffic, and it's right about now that I decide, yup, it is time to rip it, because she needs it. It's definitely not good or ideal, but this did drop the temperature instantly. So I'm having to take little rips onto side roads just to make sure that she doesn't overheat on me. Look at you! yeah, we're gonna race. And of course my phone is going to fall.